वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to present my views on the topic Role of Education in the Upliftment of Society. The society values education because of its contribution to civic, political, and community life, for its role in advancing social justice, and in the larger sense, for its contribution to human flourishing. So, the main purpose of education is to bring out the best that is already there in man and brings him to the point of perfection. For ancient Indian educationists, education enabled a student to realize his spiritual nature, and the goal of education was spiritual development, which was to be achieved through leading a pious and virtuous life. But today, the society is going through a special kind of ethical crisis. Man is being astray as he has no ideal before him to pursue. He is not even sincere about his own existence and is thoughtlessly running after the shadows of life as the illusions of truth. The deplorable state of the society at the time of the advent of Guru Nanak Dev Ji compelled him to think of the ways to correct the situation in all respects. His thoughts deeply came to the conclusion that the root cause of this sad state of affairs was the vacuum caused by the absence of any true teacher who could guide the masses to the right path. A dynamic personality as he was, Guru Nanak could not accept the things as they were. He decided to take the lead so as to rectify the situation. For this purpose, he undertook udasis all around the world to reach out to the people and guide them the right path. For Guru Nanak Sahib Ji, education was the manifestation of perfection already in man. As a teacher of the masses, the first thing he did was to make people aware about the existence of external obstacles in the form of unfair distribution of resources, inequalities in social, political, and civic setup, and in educational opportunities. So, philosophical thoughts of Guru Nanak Dev Ji are mostly enshrined in the famous work Japji Sahib, Kuchakji, Suchakji, Asa Ki War, Siddhgosht, etc. The important teachings of Guru, such as equality, fraternity, faith in God, truthfulness, etc., are followed zealously. The famous teachings, also like truthfulness, are very important for children's life. It is evident from his hymns that the pangs of existence in his time touched his compassionate heart to make him feel deeply concerned at the sufferings of the mankind. With his doctrine of Kirt Karo, Naam Japo, Vand Chako, he recommended the acceptance of householder's life, consequent necessity of work as a religious duty, along with the idea of equality before God in the form of congregational worship and the common kitchen. In the view of Guru Nanak Sahib Ji, education is the best way through which one can cleanse one's mind. Through education, man gets spiritual enlightenment and the darkness of ignorance is removed. According to him, education helps to reveal ultimate reality to man. When one person is tuned with God, there remains no fear, hatred, greed, or lust. Man then is living in a state of lasting peace and bliss. He also upheld the belief that every religion is true if its adherents sincerely and honestly follow it. It was not the truth of only single person or a single caste. Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Sikh scripture written in the spoken language of the people, includes impartially written hymns by Hindus and Muslims along with the writings of social outcasts. Can there be any other bigger example of educational field than this? The ideals and the principles of Guru Nanak Sahib Ji are the best source of motivation for the upcoming generations and save the humanity from decay, destruction, and degeneration. So, the values enshrined from the Guru Nanak Sahib's teaching must be taught in the formation years of an individual. The educational thoughts of Guru Nanak Sahib Ji can awaken curiosity, proper development of interests, values, attitudes, and capacity to think. Philosophical thoughts of Guru Nanak Sahib Ji are very great for coming generation. Following the practicing the philosophical thoughts of Guru Nanak Sahib Ji, Educate Punjab project has been putting its heart and soul to educate and enlighten that section of the society which has very scarce means. Aiming at the provision of quality education to that section of the society, Educate Punjab project has also been striving for rediscovering the values in the light of Guru's teaching so that the children would be able to promote their knowledge, skills, values, ideas and make this world a peaceful and beautiful place to live. Thank you. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.